Pollution increases due to vehicular emission, industrialization, biogas fuel, biomass, factory gas, and smoking are the leading factor of COPD.
I thought my cough and colds could be so serious, but when my cough didn't go since 4 months, I did not. I came to see Dr. Nagraj, and then I found out that I was in second stage of COPD.
Pulmonary specialist from Rajiv Gandhi Health and Chest Center says that patient required hospitalization in third or fourth stage.
0.7 is the prevalence rate. That is what the facts they say. However, the facts is apart. What we see day by day in our hospital in Rajiv Gandhi Institute, lot of cases day by day. If you see in our ward, maximum I can say around 60% of the cases in ICU or in requiring hospitalization are COPD.
Though medicine is not a complete treatment for COPD and smoking is a major risk factor of a disease.
Hospitalization is one of the important factor if they are a current smokers. Very important is that if they are current smokers, we need to identify the person, we need to talk to them. It is not that just you can't ask them to quit.
Once the COPD diagnosed, patient can suffer from heart disease or lung disease. This is Sajid Lakra from CityCast.